Hi everybody, I welcome you to this Voice of Saints. Today, February 13th, the Holy Catholic Church celebrates and honors Saint Agabus. He was an early follower of Christianity. He is mentioned in the Acts of the Apostles as a prophet. He is remembered as one of the 70 disciples as described in the Gospel of Luke chapter 10 verses from 1 to 24. He is believed to have been the resident of Jerusalem. It is said that Agabus was with the 12 disciples in the upper room on the day of Pentecost, along with the other disciples and with our Blessed Mother. According to Acts chapter 11 verses 27 and 28, he was in the group of prophets who traveled from Jerusalem to Antioch. The author of the Acts reports that Agabus was there and he received this special gift of prophecy. So much so, he prophesied about a great famine which was to take place in that area. And exactly during the reign of Emperor Claudius, there was a famine, according to the prophecy of Saint Agabus. According to Acts chapter 21 verses from 10 to 21, it is mentioned a certain prophet named Agabus met Paul the Apostle in AD 58 just to tell him and to warn him about the coming capture, and Paul was captured. Dear friends, this particular saint who lived in the first century had this gift of prophecy, and he preached Christ everywhere, and he helped people to realize their own conditions. And as we celebrate his feast today, let's all become prophets, speaking on behalf of God, especially of Christ, to the people who really do not know. May Saint Agabus intercede for us, assist us and help us so that we all may become real prophets in our day-to-day life. And today's condition, today's world needs and looks for prophets like Saint Agabus. And it is a great call from God in imitating this saint, Saint Agabus, to be a prophet. Let us become prophets and radiate this light of Christ to all the people with whom we come in contact. I wish you all a very happy feast of Saint Agabus on behalf of Saints Fan Association. May Saint Agabus intercede for us and help us to be prophets. God bless you.